Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing good. So in this video I will show you how to disable all the startup and background applications on Windows 10. So without wasting your time, let's start. So in the keyboard, press Control key, Shift key and Escape key. Press all the three keys together to open Task Manager like this. And if you see this kind of small screen, click on More Details. Now click on this Startup tab. And these are the startup applications which start automatically when you log in your system. So disable all the startup applications by right click on it, then click on disable. So disable each and every app in startup tab. Okay, disable all the startup applications, and this will also help you to increase your Windows 10 performance as well. Now after disabling the startup app, disable the background applications as well. So for this, click on the Windows icon, then click on this settings option, click on privacy option. Now on the left side, scroll down and then click on this option, background apps. So these are the background applications which are currently enabled. So disable all the background applications by simply one click here, and this will disable all the startup applications. Okay, so this is how you can disable startup and background applications in Windows 10. This is all for the video. Thank you.